This is a quick review of the Active brand Coffeemaker Cleaner. I did receive this free product in exchange for a review. Cleaner, the Scala tablets. It comes in a 24-pack. It is specially formulated to maintain efficiency and longevity of your coffee machine. So it's suitable for all types of coffee machines, including special machines, drip coffee makers, single-serve brewers. So I have a Ninja coffee machine. These can also be used for kettle cleaning. You put these tablets to the Scala electric kettles. Also could use this for cleaning shower head maintenance. Use these tablets, dissolve them in warm water and soaking the shower heads afterwards. And also can use these to clean humidifiers, dissolving a tablet in water to remove the lime scale buildup from humidifiers. So the main benefits is the effective descaling, helps extend the life of the coffee machine, removing lime scale and mineral deposits. Also enhances the flavor and quality of coffee by removing the buildup. Again, compatible with a wide variety of coffee machines, kettles, and other appliances that's prone to a minimal buildup. Again, convenient package. Comes in 24 tablets. So these are individually packaged. So overall, this is an effective solution for keeping coffee machines running smoothly and enhancing quality of your brews. Just put these in your water reservoir and let it dissolve, and you can use the dedicated cleaning function or just do a regular brewing cycle. So after the first one, it's recommended to do 2 additional cycles to remove all the deposits, the buildups.